Good evening. Thank you guys all for being here on time. And I'm sorry we're about 5 minutes late. We were just waiting for the room to fill up. One, thank you for taking time on a busy Thursday evening to be here with us and to really get an opportunity to meet all of our awesome new teams that have flown in from all around the world. Before we get started, I just want to tell you a little bit about why we are so excited about this category that we call IoT, connectivity, drones, and robotics. For us at Brinc, we believe in this statement that connectivity is absolutely changing the entire world. And when we first started, we believed that we could unlock the world we could learn more about the world by unlocking data. And we thought that we needed to do that by putting sensors on devices. As the years passed, we learned that it wasn't just about sensors, it was about the things that we could gather from computer vision, from spectrometers, from different types of technologies that would help us learn a little bit more about the world. And we truly believe if we're able to connect the world, not only will we learn about the world, we'll be able to improve the world, and we'll be able to build entire new businesses, new industries, and completely new business models. For us at Brinc, we invest in 4 main categories. You might have seen some of these signs outside. How we live, how we eat, how we move, and how we feel. How we feel is really about our bodies, about ourselves, and ways that we can learn more about ourselves and thus improve the different types of products we may put in our bodies or the ways that we live our life. What we eat, in a very similar sense, is about the food supplies, the food systems, the agriculture that's required to grow a sustainable population for the years to come. How we move is around mobility and the supply chain. And where we live is all about our environments, whether those are our homes or our smart cities. At Brinc, we support companies across a couple different buckets. One, we have a division called Connect that's focused on helping us connect with founders and really allowing them to also learn about each other through different ecosystem events and a whole range of things that we do to support the development of ecosystems and thus promote and cultivate entrepreneurship. The Accelerator, which you're going to hear more about today, Make, which is our product development arm in China that supports companies with the setup and management of their supply chains, and Grow. We're set up here in Hong Kong as well as in the Greater Bay to help support companies going through the entire process from 0 to 100,000 units, or what we like to say pre-seed to Series A. We like this category, and as investors, it's important that you understand the opportunity that's in front of you. We think this is the first and only time that actually a lot of the ingredients are actually there to allow companies to actually build truly successful and sustainable business models. We like this category because we think it's an underpriced category, and there's an opportunity for true valuation arbitrage. IoT for us is the combination of consumer electronics, SaaS, and data. And today, by most investors, it's being valued just simply because of the consumer electronics part, or the SaaS part, or big data. It hasn't been combined together. And there's an opportunity by investing early to really help grow that category. So, I'm not here, this is not about us today, it's really about the teams. I wanted to open by simply stating that this is a conversation around not technology, but about the impact of technology, and what technology can help enable, what technology can help improve, how technology will help us shape the future that we all want to live in. So it's a conversation. We've had an opportunity to work with some fantastic teams from all over the world over the last 50 days. They're here today to showcase their amazing new products and examples, and they're always going to continue to iterate and improve. And we'd love your feedback. And this is a conversation, this is a dialogue. So please post this process as well. Please get involved and please share your thoughts so we can continue to improve the work that we do and the ways that we can support these companies. So with that, I want to bring up Gilles from Artesian, without whom a lot of this would not be possible. We had an opportunity to meet Artesian about a year ago. Feels like we've known each other forever. And they've been incredible in supporting the venture capital ecosystem with startups and supporting us as well as all of our teams. And I'd like you to just say a few words.
So as a venture capitalist, it's probably one of my favorite days during the year's demo day. I mean, you've got like a lot of teams, pretty nervous, so they need to be very nice to them because I know it's pretty important and at Artesian, we also try to invest in team. We're an early stage investor. We're usually the first institutional money into the startups. So we invest from seed to all the way to Series A up to $5 million in round. We love to work with Accelerator, and we've been very privileged to work with Brinc over the past year, and we are delighted to be here today to support Brinc, support the team, and to grow the ecosystem in that category. We've got just a little bit of commercial about us. We've got a $300 million fund. We're raising another fund as we speak, $150 million, so it will be around the $500 million hopefully this time next year. We don't accelerate, we actually fund early seed companies, as I say, all the way to Series A. We are tech agnostic, but we love this kind of category. We also have clean-tech, ag-tech, med-tech. So we invest in Australia, we invest in China, in Hong Kong. So that's what I say. Tonight it's not about venture capital, it's not about the accelerator, a little bit about the accelerator, but it's mostly about the team, and again, delighted to be here.
Thank you very much. And with that, I'm going to pass on to the Accelerator team, to Jessie and Heriberto, who are here somewhere, perfect, to tell you a little bit more about the program, as well as say a big thank you to all of the rest of the amazing partners that have supported us over the last couple months.
Thanks so much, Manav. Hello everybody, good evening. We're very happy to be here.
Hi everybody, we are so excited and a little nervous, but we're really happy that you're here and joining us for Demo Day tonight. I want to say a warm thank you to all of our partners that actually made this program possible, especially to Cyberport and to HKPC, who warm hospitality we could not have done without, as well as to Q Ventures, Bird and Bird, and Anomaly, who mentored all of our teams on product design, on legals, and then as well as Alex O's over here with Fastlane, and HSBC and Invest HK. Because now these 12 teams that you're going to meet tonight are all Hong Kong entities, and they all have Hong Kong bank accounts. So for the investors out there, they are ready to go. And next up, I would like to invite Mr. Daniel Chen, who is the country head of business banking in Hong Kong at HSBC, to say a few words, please.
Thank you. It's always important in life is to be in the right place, the right time, and with the right people. So I think this statement is true for all the 13 teams, because you come all along from all over the world into this, and today is your demo day. It's a stage for you to showcase your talents. So a big hands to put our hands together for the teams. And for this to be successful, I'd like to congratulate Brinc, because your vision of bringing the people, all the talents into this part of the world in the Greater Bay, with Hong Kong being an innovation hub, partnering with Shenzhen and Guangzhou being a high-tech manufacturing hub, actually bring all the success elements together. So again, in the right place, and with the 5G coming at the right time, I'm expecting this to be even boosting more next year, from 13 teams to be 30 or even more. So I'm sure that the future will be quite bright for us. So then why HSBC is supporting this? First, I think this actually echoes quite well with some of the core vision that we have. I think it's in our mission statement that our purpose is to help people fulfill their hopes and dreams and realize their ambitions. So this is the Accelerator program itself is actually fulfilling the same vision. And secondly, I think HSBC is also very strong internationally. bringing people from all over the world to a place where they can realize their dreams. So it actually echoed quite well our ambitions as well. So the two actually come together quite well, enabling us to partner with Brinc to bring all this success. And also thank you for just the introduction about these companies coming to Hong Kong. They actually open accounts. So this again killed off the myth that it's still very difficult to open an account in Hong Kong. And it just is the right place to go. Yeah, not anymore. So we killed that myth together by supporting all these international startups in Hong Kong. And more than just opening an account, because in the past 2 years we invest quite heavily in different kind of fintech, in regularize the way that we do banking, digitize the way that we have the first chatbot. We have actually a number of firsts in the market here, and in delivering chatbot, some of the biometrics and all the other things. But again, technology is not the most important thing. With the technology come a better service, and how we actually promote this, enabling all the business to be able to embrace it. So we actually reach out quite a lot to, we have an office in Science Park, not doing sales, but actually trying to engage with the community. We also go out to a lot of the co-working space in the past few months, trying to engage them and help them understand how banking will become relevant. And even in the digitization process, we are launching different things beyond just the banking, through partnership with some of the different cloud-based solutions. So again, this is the right place, right time, and with the right connection. I'm sure this will be a really success for this program and for our partnership going forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I know this is about startups. Before we start, I just want to highlight something. When we see a lot of startups, they get amazing ideas, and there's a great prototypes. A lot of them have incredible technology. We always find this problem and the gap that why startups cannot become profitable. And the problem is that there's a gap. This gap is because sometimes they don't understand the difficulties needed for technical feasibility. They don't understand how and when to put their money in, and they don't understand their market. So we at Brinc are trying to support the teams to move forward. And this is what we're proud about it. And I can spend all night explaining you what is our thesis and how we work, but I will let you guys see a video here so he can explain it by himself.
After running 4 years of Accelerator programs, our fall 2018 cohort is our biggest one yet. We're so excited to welcome them to the Brinc family. Their journey here, however, was not easy. Competition for our program was tough. We received over 600 applications from 45 countries, teams that vie for a spot into our program. The Brinc team diligently reviewed all of our applications and debated which founders and teams had the best chance of success at solving real-world problems using their technologies in IoT, hardware, drones, or robotics. Ultimately, 50 teams were chosen and taken into our ramp-up stage, where we jumped on calls and dove deep into the core aspects of their business. We carefully questioned each team about their solutions, financials, their manufacturing, and their go-to-market strategies, which in the end led us to selecting 13 amazing teams who are here today and are working to make the world a better place by building connected businesses.
These teams fall within our investment thesis. How we feel, how we move, what we eat, and where we live. Each team that made their way to Hong Kong, the gateway to the Greater Bay, where every hardware founder needs to be. We welcome the teams at our beautiful office in Saldivar, which was the starting point for the beginning of our acceleration.
And over the past month, Brinc has given us access to awesome facilities like Cyberport, the great network of Cyberport with a lot of events every single day. Also, Brinc has given us access to HSBC, which is a great facility for prototyping. They have a lot of machinery, from 3D printers to industrial mills, sewing machines, whatever you're doing, you can use them.
Actually, my experience with the Brinc Accelerator program has been excellent so far. We've made a lot more progress. They really have a laser focus on hardware and can help me understand things that I never was exposed to. I mean, I've never seen a Gantt chart before. I'm embarrassed to say that, but the Brinc team is the first people that really sat me down and walked me through the whole hardware process. Also, building out the financials with Jessie was an invaluable experience. And then all the time that Harry spent walking us through the product development roadmap and really understanding all the documents we need to take something from an idea to fully manufacturable. That's invaluable.
One of my favorite parts of the trip was the China visit. We got to visit the Hosham Bay where we could buy any electronic components for our prototypes. We then visited the Seed Studio, which has an enormous support for the legal communities at China. The third day, we also visited the factories, which have quite big capabilities to serve and manufacture hardware as quickly as possible. Lastly, we got to meet Simon, the head of Brinc program, who has invaluable knowledge about manufacturing in China. That helped us a lot.
It's been an amazing month working with all the teams from around the world. But it wouldn't be possible without everyone that's helped us get here. The team's mentors, the partners from manufacturing, the finance, accounting, and business models. And the teams have been working relentlessly, not just this month in Hong Kong and China, but throughout the entire program. And we're so excited to present to you all the fruits of all that hard work today.
Okay, let me just skip to the important reason why you're here. I would like to start with the first category that we got, how we feel. Let me introduce you to Simon from Cuba.